in all the papers and all the comments from them, it's just that we've got no chance and it's about them turning up and progressing into the next round.
We want to fly the flag for Wales, we want to fly the flag for the Welsh Premier League. Tonight's going to be tough and I just want the game to come as soon as it can.
I'm proud of the lads' fitness levels to compete with them. A real big test that we've had, and you know, the tie's not over. It's important that we go about it and do ourselves justice in the second round, really, and hopefully we can go and do well there next Thursday.
Arrived at Liverpool Airport en route to Sligo. Kieran, anything to say?
No, see you on the other side.
See you on the side, gents. Chris Venables, quiz question. Who has the most goals for Bala in European competitions? Bonus point for if you guess how many.
Ian Sheridan, maybe 3?
2 points.
Yes, bro.
Yes, lads.
What happened to your face, bro? Shoot! How much is that, brother? Fine boy, no pimples.
How you feeling about the flight?
Oh, it's nervous, apprehensive, scared.
So Alex Ramsey doesn't like flying, so we're going to go and check on him now. How you feeling, mate?
Touchdown, baby!
We want some post-flight reaction off you, Alex. How did you find it?
Just changed his knickers.
Yeah, I did enjoy that one, lads, I'm not going to lie, but a couple of diazepam always helps.
I saw your face down a lot, mate.
Yeah, head down,
Head in hand.
get through it, isn't it?
Coolest man alive. Here's the best looking. Booster seat for this one.
Yeah.
I don't think we played to the capability of what we're capable of, but maybe that's a bit harsh because we obviously haven't played a competitive game since the 23rd of April. But I'm quite optimistic going into tomorrow night's game, and obviously going to go a different way because we've seen them, and yeah, it's going to be quite interesting the way we go, and you know, going to be a lot more braver and stuff, so looking forward to it. Once Rambo starts making his run, then yous are coming in. A lot of the time, you'll be watching it, he flicks it, and then you react there. So you've got to go as he flicks it, not stand and watch him flick it. You've got to be travelling as he flicks it. Yeah, some players have had to do their initiation songs, as you've seen, so it's all part of the camaraderie and all part of the team building and stuff that we do, so, you know, it's a big part of it, lads having an enjoyment and being relaxed going into tomorrow's game.
Do you have to sing 22 years ago when you started?
I didn't know, but I've had a few songs since, but the lads are always on. If we win, then I sing, but if we lose, I don't, so it's important that we try and get the win tomorrow, then I'll be singing all night if we do.
Wel, gochwyn y Bala, and then I'll decide bore yma. Coch I Holly, Ferry drosodd dyn. Da, mi oedd o beth yn ond yn iawn. Nes a ni gyrraedd I Dublin. Ond yr yw hanner awr o dilyn cyn I gael docio. Beth mae'n long ar y bob. A wedyn, siwrna hir ar y bus o Dublin I fan hyn. A gwan, then I gael beit o Guinness. Sgorio, get out of there!
La centre a Bala, dod o'n comentari goesi.
Wales defeated England!
Wel, dyma ni. Noson cyn y gêm. A yn bach yn rwd sa sy'n ni'n dod am ddiolch bach.
Ie chi da? Gobeithio wir bod da ni'n gallu gwneud rhyw fath o safon nos y fori a trio mynd â ni yn erbyn Motherwell yn y rownd nesaf.
Taxi, diolch yn fawr. Edrych ymlaen at fori. Nos da.
How are you feeling about the big match tonight, mate?
Excited, quietly confident. You know, I think the lads think we can get a result and go through on the night, so bring it on, innit?
I think the lads looking scruffy like so far, better tighten them a bit.
Iawn, James, faint o marc allan o 10 ti roed i'r barber?
Wel, dwi'n yn siŵr eto, ddim wedi gweld be mae'n wneud, ond mae'n deud bod o'n wedi gwneud job go iawn, so na i weld 10 munud dwi'n gweithio.
Siarad ni trwy'r profiad o gorau canu o flaen, tîm newydd.
Dwi'n yn hoff iawn amdano o gwbl, ond ie, fel chi wedi gweld ddoe, ar y fi sefyll fyny gyntaf jyst i gael o allan o'r ffordd, achos dod yma, dyna gyd o'n i gallu meddwl amdan. Ar ôl i fi canu, o'n i'n hapus wedyn i, wel, just ffocusio ar y gêm.
What are they going to try and do to us as a team in terms of being in possession? Move the ball quick, drag them about, they're part-time, they're not fit, blah, 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 all that. I've been here, how many times have we been here? 9, 8, Nigel? Won once, not won enough as what we deserve to, but people say you get what you deserve. Not so sure on that. But I'm sick of being here and I'm fearful of losing again. I struggle to deal with losing, so it'll affect my life up until the next game, but it'll affect my life up until the next European game. So it's so crucial that we put things right tonight, and I think we can do it. You know, I've played some top teams in Europe, but they're halfway through their domestic season, they're full-time. They didn't look full-time to me when we played them, and we caused them so many problems. I think a lot of lads have got a performance in them tonight. A lot of lads have. Not saying that you didn't play to your potential the other night individually. I think a lot of lads know that we can do better, and I think a lot of lads will be up for it tonight to make sure we win the game. Okay? All the best.
Going to be a massive crowd out there. Don't get carried away with the emotion of it. You know, feed off the crowd, feed off the atmosphere, but stay composed. Massive game, chance to make history. Just make sure when we go out there and we play the game, we come off the pitch at the end with no regrets.
I'm the best raffle seller in Wales, you know.
There's atmospheres that go throughout life and go throughout football. What will be the atmosphere in this dressing room after the game? Another one lost again? Or on the bus, bouncing in here, bouncing onto the bus, wreck the hotel, bar everything. I'm with you with that one. Come on. Come on!
side of Kieran, and then 17 drops in. Nathan, take your time, Nate. Nate, take your time. Hey! Oh! You said he hit the ball. Our players knocked the ball out for the goal kick, so it's impossible. Just do your job, you get paid for it. Do your job. Do your job properly. Well done. You're getting better.
We get along, my friends. It took 20 minutes. We get along.
You're getting better. That's embarrassing, lads. Get him on his feet. Dive, embarrassing.
Keep it your own team.
Yeah, no, but that's a dive. That's embarrassing.
Yes, I know, but I will do the talking.
Yeah, but they insert.
No.
If my
I do
lad,
not accept this. Come on.
if my lads jump down,
We
like
were
that to
just
make
getting
your
along,
job,
okay? Okay.
We will again. Keep going. Focus. Where's Brad? Where's Brad? Oh.
Two scenarios that can happen. You win it, or you lose the game. You lose the game as a group of lads. They don't win it, okay? So we're tight all over, we're tight. And if you do that for the next 15, 20 minutes, they'll go worse. The pressure, they'll make subs, the crowd have got on their back straight away. So keep going. Same scoreline what it was last week, and you lost it. Do not lose this game. Do not lose it. Just disappointing thing for me is the 8 had a free header just past the post. The 8 had a free header, whoever man that is. He heads it, you f***ing head his head. Alright, remember that on the script that I give you? Motherwell, that's who we're going next. Up to you, you lose it, or you win it. Come on.
This is where we gotta focus now. James, once you get in the box, relax. Great pace. Any other keeper in our league wouldn't save the one-on-one. That's all right from outside the box. Well done, mate. Well done. He's got to go! What is it then? Booking. Because he's gone away from goal. Yeah. And not a clear cut.
3,850.
Chris, come on, 2 minutes to go and try and win it. Well done, but make sure concentrate on our positioning. Don't throw it away and get counter-attacks, okay? Give it everything. Remember all the scenarios are still in it. Only 30 minutes more. Everyone have a go. No. Come down! Russell! Half time! Get the drinks on.
Get in! Come on, come on! Don't open the gaps! Get up the pitch and fight for second, you get it! Come on! They deserve more here, don't they? Rambo's only made one save, the headed straight into him. I can't face losing this. Listen, slot your penalty, positive, determination and slot it. Come on. So some Jaffa cakes. Johnson?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Share them for them. Left footer can't take pens. Can't believe it. This is it, that's it. Well, Lupin, come on. The lads were absolutely outstanding, every one of them absolutely outstanding. You know, credit to the club, a credit to the Welsh Prem. The keeper for them is absolutely the difference in the game. He's made save after save after save, and then he's saved 2 penalties. But should we have taken our chances? Yeah, we should have, but you know, sometimes it doesn't go for you, and he's got them through to the next round. But yeah, the atmosphere is outstanding. They've made us so welcome, everything about it. The supporters at the end have clapped us off the field and stuff, so great game, and we've gone out and we should have won the game.
I have to say a few words, but that was one of the best performances I think I've ever witnessed in a Bala shirt. It's an absolute travesty of justice that we come away empty-handed from such a performance. But such is football. We have to live with it. We have to move on. But it was such a management coup to absolutely take that opposition apart today. So all my management team worked so hard. A massive thanks as well. And finally then, to the people you see who come in year on year and support us loyally throughout. What a great bunch of people who travel everywhere with us. Thank you so much to all our supporters.
10 days have gone by and arrived back after a really tough one to take. We're back at it now, building the house again and back to normality. soon as we got back, I took 4 or 5 days off just to get away from it, just to try and cope, really. We hit the crossbar a few times and dominated the game, missed one-on-one chances, and you know, them chances are the difference between €270,000 and not. Yeah, Nigel and Ruth work endlessly, and they're both grafters, and they try to do everything themselves. Maybe they should have a bit of help, but they are doers, and there's so much work for a voluntary run club. It's unbelievable, really. So, you know, it just makes it that much better when we perform like we do. You know, we're all chomping at the bit to get going now. We've had a bit of a rest from the Sligo game, and then we're already raring to go, and hopefully we can have more occasions like we have over in Sligo.
You've seen how much it means to you, and why do you put yourself through the agony?
Life, really. Just, I don't know. I don't know anything else, really, apart from building. Would I like to do football every day? I'm not too sure. Would I like to do building every day? No, not too sure of that. But I enjoy the both, and I've got a happy medium at the moment.
That'll do, yeah.